We are a neighborhood of 32 buildings, 64 owners, and right now we are processing 16 of our oldest buildings with the Roof Maxx product. We did extensive research, spoke to many of the users that have used the process, and did our due diligence, and we're very happy to proceed. We believe that it's going to extend the life of the roof so that we do not have to face soon-to-be replacement of roofs. That's simply the biggest expense that any condominium community faces. We can extend the life of all of our roofs over the course of the next 5 to 10 years, basically at the cost of what it would take to replace 3 or 4 roofs on our buildings. We have about 5,000 square feet of roof on each building. We can protect our roofs from additional icing and damage, leaks, blow-offs in major storms, and for that reason we were able to save $10,000 a year on our insurance coverage. We believe that we've extended the life of our roofs and we'll get much more savings over the long run because we don't have to dig into reserves right this minute. We can let them grow and hopefully never face roof replacement, but we know we will. But that's so far down the road that we feel comfortable in extending the life, and that's why this is a great financial decision for us as a community.